Welcome back to the Infinity Signal. Today, we're revisiting Golem, GLM over USD, where the Infinity Signal is showing a complex but promising evolution, the kind that often comes just before a stronger structural expansion. Over the past few sessions, GLM has climbed sharply out of its lower regression channel, touching the upper range near 0.23 to 0.25 before beginning a small consolidation. But this time, the Infinity Tables are revealing a different internal rhythm. While the candles appear to be cooling, the momentum geometry beneath the surface tells a deeper story. Let's look at the Infinity Timeframe Table on the right. Here's what the data is telling us. The 1-hour frame is still bearish, showing 21% K, which means short-term oscillations are cooling after the initial breakout. The 4-hour frame remains bullish at 94% K with an 89% intensity. This layer continues to drive the structure. The daily time frame has reached 100% K, fully extended, confirming that the core expansion wave is still active. The weekly frame, still bearish, shows 85% intensity, meaning the longer-term downtrend is resisting but losing strength. And on the monthly frame, we're at 63% K, bullish with 26% intensity, steady but early in its macro cycle recovery. The Composite Gauge now reads 41% bullish, up from the last cycle's 36%. That incremental rise, though small, confirms that overall alignment between timeframes is improving, not fading. What this structure represents is a classic infinity signal phase transition. Short and midterm timeframes are in full expansion, while long-term layers are beginning to weaken in the opposite direction. This tug-of-war produces what we call a weighted divergence zone, where the composite gauge fluctuates in the 40% range before eventually accelerating into a new equilibrium. If price holds above 0.20 and the daily intensity remains near 0.10, the infinity signal projects continued strength toward 0.25 to 0.27, with the potential for a secondary expansion leg before a cooling event into the late November window. The Heiken Ashi candles confirm reduced volatility as the market consolidates, but the momentum geometry beneath them is still highly charged. For anyone new to the indicator, the Infinity Signal measures confluence between multiple time frames, 1 hour through monthly, to reveal when markets are in compression, expansion, or exhaustion. The Composite Gauge on the left shows total structural alignment. When it rises above 50%, you're entering true multi-time frame expansion. So, to summarize, the short and midterm layers are still expanding. The daily frame is fully extended but not yet reversing. The weekly layer is weakening, preparing to flip. And the Composite Gauge continues its steady climb toward equilibrium. All signs point toward a developing Phase 2 continuation, not the end of the move, but the calm between the first and second expansion waves. Golem remains structurally bullish. The Infinity Signal, trading the future.